Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white yum yum sauce. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a dash of cayenne pepper. You'll also need a mixing bowl and a whisk. This simple recipe comes together quickly, perfect for any meal. Now let's combine everything. Pour the mayonnaise and ketchup into your mixing bowl. Next, add the sugar, paprika, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. Whisk all the ingredients together thoroughly. Continue mixing until the sauce is completely smooth and all the spices are fully incorporated, ensuring no lumps remain for that perfect texture. Once mixed, taste your yum yum sauce. If you prefer it sweeter, add a bit more sugar. For more kick, a touch more cayenne. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the sauce for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a richer, more complex taste. It's worth the wait. For storage, keep your homemade yum yum sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It stays fresh and delicious for up to 7 days, so you can enjoy it throughout the week. Here's a pro tip. For a slightly tangier sauce, add 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar to the mixture. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.